It's actually a very beautiful day outside today, and the boys are actually having a little Cars and Coffee over in Orange County. We got the family all loaded up in the car. We're gonna head out. Unfortunately, I'm not taking any of my cars because I have a no-seater and a two-seater, and that does not function with a family of four. So we're gonna head out that way right now. It's 8:30 in the morning. Starts at 9. We're gonna be a little late. Got to get our coffee. So we'll see you guys maybe at Dutch Bros.
Good morning. How you guys doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing great. We can't set up for you guys.
Can I do a medium iced Golden Eagle?
Okay.
Can I do that sugar free? And then can I do a medium iced Kokomo
Nice Kokomo.
with 2 shots of espresso?
You want to add 2 more?
Yes, please. And then a small chocolate milk, light ice, please.
Light ice, okay.
Is it good, Mama? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
All right. How's yours, babe?
Delicious.
All right. I haven't tried mine yet, but when I get on the freeway, I will. Dad gets the Kokomo with 2 extra shots because he's tired all the time. Sim setup, 3 wide, on the air. Have you guys tried this yet?
No.
Are you going to? No?
I heard the guy said everything is like F1 spec, so the wheels are just as heavy, the steering,
Really?
and the brakes and everything.
Okay. We got the road racing F1 out here. Drifting going down inside.
I don't want to see the speed. It's like this big old coat, shades, fresh cut. I'm like, he had a big coffee. Like, it was a big old coat. It was a big coat.
Dang. You got the wife, the kiddos. It's goals right here. You like the cars? Ah! Ah!
My garbage.
You want to grab it? A little coffee shop inside right there. Clean, clean, clean. A wheel display. Sick mini. Wide body. And they got seats for sale too. $16.60. I've never even seen this seat before. Euro Ghost. I don't fit in small seats like that though. Yeah, he's going. I'll carry him. You like the cars, Mama?
Is there any cars back there? Yeah.
This is the boy John's car. Nice stuff. This is Juan's car. Hey, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Oh, and then the other one.
Hey, we don't do that.
Baby, come here real quick. Princess, this was Daddy's first car. 1991 Acura Integra. That was my first car, 15 years old.
Daddy's first car.
I didn't have big old subs in it though. I still remember my first license plate. That's crazy. I still remember the first license plate numbers. 5NQX443. My first car. There you go, buddy. Clean little hatch. I like these cars. Oh, it's right-hand drive too. Dragon Slayer. JZX. This is what I want to import from Japan, babe.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Love the color. Purple. Hi. Hi.
Hey, Mama. Look at Mommy. Smile.
For sure, drift car.
Smile. Big smile. Ew. It's for Nana. Smile. Face. Thank you.
Okay, love the way how this thing sits though. Little drift fitment.
You want to do another one? Okay. Hold on, let me see. Okay.
So I'm recording this later and I'm filming it on my phone, so I guess I'll see when I edit the video which quality's better, this or my camera. But anyways, if you guys are in the La Habra area, Orange County, give AT230 a try, Cars and Coffee. It's actually a really sick little car shop and coffee shop. If you go into the coffee shop, like there's a big glass window where you can see right into the car shop, and it's actually sick. You see what they're working on or whatever. And the coffee is actually good too. I got the Spanish latte, which is a drink that they recommend in-house, and it was actually bomb. It was good. My wife liked it. They got good little donuts and pastries too. And the sim setups that they have there. So in the front, as you guys saw, like they have like road racing sims, and then in the room they got a couple drifting sims. The road racing sims, I was told that they're like 2 F1 spec, right? So the steering is as hard as an F1 car. The braking is as rough. You have to apply the same pressure as an F1 car. And apparently you could feel like the weight of the tires. I didn't try it out, but I'm definitely gonna be giving that a try next time I go. Again, the car shop and coffee shop is called AT230 Cars and Coffee in La Habra, Orange County, California. So big shout out to John and Juan from TeamNICE for hooking it up with the invite. It was a vibe. My family liked it, and it was a good time. If you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys for watching so much. And I will have some 350Z and FRS content coming real soon, so be sure to be subscribed to see those videos. Don't forget to like this video and comment on this video. I don't care what you comment. I reply to every comment, even the ones people think are stupid or whatever, even the hating. I love it all, man. Don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you guys. Peace.